Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Everyday English Talk channel, where learning English is easy and fun. I'm Emily.
Hello, Emily. Hello, everyone. It is so good to see you all again. I am very happy to be here.
I am happy too, Paul. You look very energetic today. You have a big smile.
Yes, I feel good. I had a very good sleep, and I have my green tea.
Ah, green tea. Very healthy.
Yes, I am trying to be healthy.
That is great, Paul. And actually, that is a little bit connected to our topic today.
Oh, really? What is our topic today?
Today, we are talking about your future self.
My future self. That sounds interesting. Is it about time travel?
No, not time travel. No sci-fi movies today. It is about you, Paul, but you in 1 year, or you in 5 years.
I see. Me in the future.
Yes, we are going to talk about why we should do difficult things today so we can be happy tomorrow.
Ooh, that is a deep topic.
It is. But before we start talking about the future, we have something to do right now.
Yes, we do. Please, everyone, if you like our podcast, click the like button. It is a small click for you, but a big help for us.
Yes, and please subscribe to Everyday English Talk channel. We want to help you learn English every week.
And share this with your friends. English is better with friends.
Exactly. Thank you, everyone. Okay, Paul, let's talk about the future.
Okay, I am ready.
Imagine future Paul. He is living in the year 2026.
Okay, I am imagining him. He is older. Maybe he has gray hair.
Maybe, but is he happy? Is he healthy? Is he smart?
I hope so. I want him to be happy.
We all do. But here is the secret. Future Paul depends on today Paul.
I think I understand. Can you give me an example?
Sure. Think about English.
Okay, English. We are learning English.
Many people say, I am tired today. I will study tomorrow.
Oh, yes. I say that sometimes. I will do it later.
We all do. It is comfortable to relax on the sofa. It is easy to watch TV.
Yes, watching TV is very easy. Studying vocabulary is work.
Exactly. But think about future Paul in 1 year. If today Paul studies for 20 minutes every day, what happens?
In 1 year, future Paul will speak very good English.
Yes, future Paul can travel. He can talk to people. He can watch movies in English without subtitles.
Wow, that sounds amazing. Future Paul is very cool.
He is, and he looks back at today Paul and says, "Thank you."
Thank you for studying. Thank you for not watching TV.
Exactly. Your future self will thank you.
I love that phrase. It makes me feel responsible.
It is a powerful idea. It works for everything, not just English.
Like my green tea?
Yes. Tell me about that. Why are you drinking green tea?
Well, I want to be healthy. I want to run a marathon next year.
A marathon. Wow, Paul. 42 kilometers?
Yes, it is a big goal.
So, do you run every day?
Well, I try. But some days it is raining, or I am tired.
And you want to stay in bed?
Yes, the bed is warm. Running is cold and hard.
But what does future Paul want?
Future Paul wants to finish the marathon. He wants to feel strong.
So when you run in the rain today, you are giving a gift to future Paul.
A gift. I like that. I am not suffering. I am sending a gift to the future.
Yes, it changes how you think. It is not, I have to study. It is, I am building a better me.
That is very motivating. But, Emily, it is still hard.
I know. It is very hard. Our brains like easy things.
How can we make it easier? Do you have any tips?
I do. The first tip is don't look at the mountain. Look at the step.
Look at the step. Okay. What does that mean?
Don't think, I need to be fluent in English. That is a big mountain. It is scary.
Yes, it feels impossible sometimes.
Instead, think, I will read 1 page today. Just 1 page.
1 page is easy. I can do that.
Or, I will learn 5 new words.
5 words? That takes maybe 10 minutes?
Exactly. And if you do that every day, in 1 year, that is almost 2,000 words.
Wow! 2,000 words! That is a lot of English.
See? Small steps today make a big difference for your future self.
So consistency is the key.
Yes, doing a little bit every day. It is better than doing a lot once a month.
Like the gym. You cannot go to the gym for 10 hours on one day and be strong.
No, that would hurt.
Yes, very painful. You must go for 30 minutes 3 times a week.
Exactly. It is a habit.
I have a question, Emily.
Go ahead, Paul.
What about money? Does this work for money too?
Oh, absolutely. This is very important for money.
We talked about saving money in another episode.
We did. Think about buying a coffee every day. It is nice now. Today, Paul is happy.
Today, Paul loves coffee.
But if you save that money, future Paul can buy a car or go on a big vacation.
So, when I save money, I am paying future Paul.
Yes, you are taking care of him. You are being a good friend to yourself.
I never thought about it like that. Being a friend to myself.
Sometimes we are nice to our friends, but we are lazy with ourselves.
That is so true. I help my friends, but I skip my own English practice.
We all do it. But remember, time will pass anyway.
Time will pass anyway. What do you mean?
Well, imagine it is next year, November 2026.
Okay. The time will come. We cannot stop time.
Exactly. 1 year will pass. You can arrive in 2026 with good English, or you can arrive in 2026 with the same English.
The time passes if I study or if I don't study.
Yes, so you might as well use the time.
That is a scary thought, but also a good thought. I don't want to waste the year.
No, we want to grow. We want to be better.
I feel very motivated now, Emily. I want to do something today.
That is great. What will you do?
I think I will go for a run this evening, even if I am tired.
Good job. Future Paul says thank you.
You are welcome, future Paul.
And I will study my Spanish tonight. I am learning Spanish, you know?
Oh, wonderful. Future Emily will speak Spanish.
I hope so. Just 15 minutes.
It is not a lot of time. Everyone has 15 minutes.
Yes, we spend 15 minutes looking at our phones easily.
Ah, yes. Scrolling on social media. That is a time thief.
It is. Put down the phone, pick up a book, or listen to a podcast.
Like this one.
Exactly. Listening to this podcast is something good for your future self.
You are right. Everyone listening right now, you are doing a great job.
Yes, you are practicing your listening skills. You are learning new words.
Your future self is very happy with you right now.
So don't stop. Keep going.
Emily, this was a very inspiring conversation.
I am glad, Paul. I feel inspired too.
It is nice to think that we have the power to change our future.
We do. Every small decision is a vote for the person you want to become.
A vote for the person you want to become. I will remember that.
Well, I think that is a perfect place to end our chat today.
Yes, we have work to do. We have to go practice.
Yes, but before we go, we have a question for you, our listeners.
Yes, we want to know, what will you do today for your future self?
What is one small thing? Will you read? Will you exercise? Will you save money?
Please tell us in the comments. We really want to read your plans.
Writing your plan in the comments is a great way to start. It's a promise to yourself.
And don't forget to subscribe to the Everyday English Talk channel.
And share this episode with a friend who needs some motivation.
Yes, let's all grow together.
Thank you so much for listening today. Start today, and your future self will thank you.
Goodbye, everyone. See you next time.
Bye-bye.